Hello everyone, welcome back. So what are we gonna do in this video? So as you can see, I have written the word probability. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you the introduction to probability. Okay, we'll see only intro. Okay, what probability is, like what is the meaning of this thing. Okay, the chapter that I'm dealing with, probability, is one of the most beautiful chapters of mathematics. Okay, it has only application of your mind with very less set of formulas. Okay, and that also you'll come across in your later classes, but as of now we'll just see what is probability. Okay, so half of the introduction you can see by the name itself, probability. Okay, it is like what is the chance of occurrence of an event. Okay, chance. If in layman language I will tell you, probability is nothing but chance. Okay, of what? Of occurrence of an event. Okay, so now most of you might have got it. Still, if you have any doubt, let me take few examples to clear what it is. Okay, say one of the basic examples that you have come across anywhere where you have studied probability. Okay, that is a very common example of flipping a coin. Okay, say you have a coin. Okay, now one side it is heads and another side it is tails. Okay, when you flip your coin in the air, okay, when you flip it, it is like something flipping up, tossing, and when it comes back to ground, at that moment, okay, seize that moment and tell me what is the chance, or like what are the possible things that can happen when it falls on the ground. You can either get a tail or you can either get a head, right? Any other possibilities? And I am like assuming that it is a fair coin, obviously. Okay, so one side it is a tail, one side is a head. So either you can get a tail, either you can get a head. So basically this thing that I did just now, tossing a coin, is called an experiment. Okay, this is an experiment. Okay, and in this experiment, T and H are my outcomes, possible outcomes. Okay, this is outcome, this is another outcome. Okay, because apart from T and H I cannot get anything else. Either I'll get a T, either I'll get an H. Okay, now if I'll ask you, what is the chance of getting a T? Chance of getting a tail. How will you write it mathematically? Okay, now you can say that, okay, I mean 50% either I can get a tail or 50% I can either get a head. Correct? If it is a fair coin, now you don't know what it is, but you can say that, okay, like 50% it is a tail or 50% is a head. So if I say 50% is chance of getting a tail, okay, and rest 50%, because out of 100% we are only talking about, it cannot be more than 100%. So out of 100%, okay, out of 100%, 50% is getting a tail and rest 50% is a chance of getting a head. Okay, right? Now see, what is 50% basically? Percent is nothing but 1 by 100. So I'll write 50 into 1 by 100, which is nothing but equal to half. And similarly, this is also half. And what is 100%? 100 into 1 by 100, which is equal to 1. Okay, so now we'll talk in terms of 1, half and half. That if I consider that the total probability, okay, that the total possibilities of occurring of all the outcomes is 1, that I will always consider as 1. Now this is a first lesson in probability, that the sum of all possible occurrences will always be 1, will always be 1, and out of that one, in this case I am saying that half is the chance of getting a tail and the rest half is the chance of getting a head. So now here comes the word probability, that the probability of getting a head is nothing but half, and probability of getting a tail is also equal to half. Okay, so it is like, see, general in your general day-to-day language, you might have used this a lot of times. Okay, like I'm going to a shop. What is the chance that the shop will be open or will it be closed? Okay, so it is like 50-50%. Okay, in the same way, we are talking about the same thing, but in a mathematical language. Okay, half, half, and total one. Okay, so now there might be a question in your mind. Is it always necessary that the outcome will always have a probability of half? No, it is not. Okay, let me take some another example. Say I have a dice. Okay, all of you might have seen a dice while playing a lot of games. We use dice generally. Okay, say this is 1, 2, say this is 3, say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So similarly on the back side you'll have 1, this side will have some numbers and this on. So when you throw a dice, okay, when you throw a dice and it comes back on the ground, right? When you throw a dice and when it comes back on the ground, what are the different possibilities you have? Okay, let me draw it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now 6, now since there are 6 different faces, you have 6 possibilities that it can fall on any of the faces. It can be either 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, or it can be 4, or it can be 5, or finally it can be 6. Okay, can you think of any other possibility if I'm assuming this is a fair dice? Okay, whatever cases we are taking, it is a fair dice. So throwing a dice is my experiment. Okay, and these are my possible outcomes. Okay, now if I'll say that, okay, now there is 100% chance that I will get either of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? There is a 100% chance that I'll get either of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is 100%? This is nothing but 100 into 1 by 100, as I told you before, 1. Okay, so the chance or the probability of getting any of these is 1. Okay, so that is why again my total probability will be equal to 1. Okay, now let me take the case when now my friend told me that, okay, tell me what is the chance that I will get the phase 3. Okay, what is the chance that I'll get a phase 3? Now see it very carefully. When you throw a dice, you can either get this or this. 6 different things, and everything is equally likely. Okay, like there is no partiality, that dice won't say you that, okay, I will prefer 5 over 6 or I will prefer 4 over 6, nothing like that. Any of the 6 faces you can get it. Okay, so every face has equal chance of occurrence. Okay, now how can I divide 1 in 6 equal parts equally? Okay, how can I divide 1 in 6 equal parts? This can be done by 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Okay, when you'll add all these 6, you will get 1. So can I say now that the chance of occurrence of die 1 is 1 by 6, of phase 2 is 1 by 6, the chance of occurrence of phase 3 is again 1 by 6, phase 4 is 1 by 6, phase 5 is 1 by 6, and finally phase 6, 1 by 6. Okay, I'm not being partial to any of the phases, and every phase has equal chance of occurring, so I can say that the chance of occurrence of 3 is nothing but equal to 1 by 6, because this is one of the phases, just one of them. Okay, that is how I am defining it. Is it right? Okay, so I hope you are getting idea what probability is. It's a very simple thing. Okay, you can easily understand what probability is because there are no formulas at all. Okay, it is always conceptual. Okay, probability is always conceptual. Okay, so I hope your concept of probability is clear, and this is how you find a probability. Okay, in the same way, if I extend the same question, okay, if I ask you, tell me the probability of getting 2, what will be your answer? Probability of getting 2, again 1 by 6. Okay, next question, if I'll ask you, What is the probability of getting an even number? Okay, so what are our even numbers? Basically 2, 4 and 6. Okay, probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6, getting 4 is 1 by 6, getting 6 is 1 by 6. Okay, so I will add them. Okay, because I can either get this and this, everything is fine. So this will become 3 by 6, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. Now you can visualize the same. See, in that case, when I wanted an even number, I am talking about which cases? This case, this case, and this case. Okay, so out of 6 possible things, I am talking about 3. So 3 out of 6, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. So this is what probability is, and I hope you understood the concept of probability. In the next set of video, I'll be telling you more about the same thing, probability, in much detail. Okay, so I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Please like the video and share with your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.